Hi, 你好, Chef Tom. We are making shrimp noodle soup with vegetable, ginger, and this little baby bok choy. Very crunchy, delicious, healthy. It's great for noodle soup or stir fry. One more. There's different kind of Chinese green you can use. Mushroom, fresh mushroom. Mushroom is really good flavor for cooking soup. It's big giant mushroom, look at it. Oh, smells so good. Alright, this I can use it for my trash. Okay. Right here. It's a very good mushroom. I got this at the Asian grocery store. So fresh and so clean. They clean it for you really good. Look, I cannot find any sand or, it's just perfect mud. Just beautiful dirt. Just beautiful. Put it right here. It's okay. Alright, I love mushroom. I'm gonna use them all. This mushroom for $5. Come on, where do you get for $5 for this beautiful fresh mushroom? Giant. The shrimp, already deveined it. Use a toothpick. Dig into the shell, the back. Poof, out. Yeah, I love to try different kind of noodle. This is 山西刀削面, thick noodle, very thick. Let's see. How to cook? Blah 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 blah. Okay. Did not say how long, so no problem. We figure out, right? Okay. I think preparation is done. We're going to cook. I'm going to use this Korean red pepper powder they use for stir fry, making soup. Alright? Okay. Preheat my frying pan. Some vegetable cooking oil. I found my wife left some of the chopped onion in the fridge. Use it, right? Cooking is fun. It's therapeutic for me. So relaxed. Ginger in. Beautiful. Stir the ginger and onion for a few minutes. And then we add the shrimp in. The shell will create a very good flavor for the broth. Simple, easy to make. when I cook, I like my kitchen to be clean and organized, you know? Wow, look. I'm gonna add in the mushroom. Beautiful mushroom. I can smell the shrimp flavor now from the shell. Stir. Gonna add some soy sauce. Just regular soy sauce for flavor. And then the Korean red powder. Ooh. Sometimes they have the red paste, and that's really good for making stir fry. I love Korean food. Very great flavor. I love spicy food. Every culture have their own unique of cooking, right? Alright, we're gonna add. My kids like spicy, and their friend loves spicy too. You see a lot. Actually, this is a lot of flavor, not necessarily just spiciness. It's flavor, you know. The chili powder is so beautiful, give you a lot of flavor. Ah, like that. We're gonna cook the chili powder a little bit. Wait. Oh, so good, so good. Organize your kitchen. I got the rice cooking. That's for tomorrow. While I'm making a soup, I cook the rice. Soup, rice. Save time. Very nice. Now I'm just gonna add in pure water. Get more. It's gonna be a big pot soup. And we're gonna let the soup bring up to a boil, and we're just gonna cook the noodles in there, okay? Alright, so now, let me see, my rice is cooking good, a little bit lower heat. Alright. Shake it, shake it, shake it. See? Actually nice and clean. So while I'm let the soup bring up to a boil, I'm gonna wash my dishes. Be right back. The soup now is almost bring out to a simmer and then boil. So I'm gonna give the soup a little try. Let's see. Okay. I can taste a little bit ginger broth flavor with mushroom and the shrimp, a little bit seafood taste to it, and the Thai chili powder, perfect. Great flavor, spiciness is good enough. Just need a little more soy sauce for sodium and flavor. You see, cooking is add, build the flavor. And then I open my fridge. I have miso. I have gamma hot chili, black bean paste, kimchi. This part is the Asian side. And the American side, I have pickle, cheese, everything. No, I'm not gonna use that. Oh, hoisin sauce might be a good idea. Hoisin sauce, huh? Put more flavor. Sometimes you ever have the pho soup. Pho soup, they make some sriracha hoisin sauce. A little bit hoisin sauce. Yeah. You can always add, but don't add too much at one time, right? Alright, so now I'm using my wood spatula. Mix it up. Mix it up. This is the good wok that I got. Very good quality, inexpensive. Sometimes the store just jack up the price. No reason for, you can buy this for 40 bucks and you go to some fancy store, they can sell for 300 bucks. I mean, sometimes people just pay more. They think it's good. Not necessary, right? Show you the soup now, okay? That's what the soup looked like. Yes. A little bit more soy sauce and some hoisin sauce. Just give them a balanced flavor. Taste the mushroom, the shrimp first, and then washing in your mouth, you can taste the spiciness and a little more flavor that we call umami. I think that's just the soy sauce and the hoisin sauce kicking, and then plus the longer simmer that you cook, the more flavor. So now we're just gonna let the soup bring up to a boil, and we're gonna add the noodle and the vegetable. That's it. Now the soup is bringing up to a boil, and for me it's perfect. If you want more sodium, you can add salt. It's fine too. The rice cooked beautifully done. Turn it off. By the way, you can check out how to cook rice on my YouTube channel. I have 850 or 60 recipe on YouTube channel. So whatever you want to look for and find how to cook, just go to my channel and search. If happen not there, and you Facebook me, Fortune Cooking, I can cook it for you, no problem. Wow. Long life noodle. Long life noodle. Everybody loves noodle. So this is a very high quality noodle. Huh? I think I just need 3, but I get a little bit extra. It's okay. Save it. That's a very high quality noodle. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes when you cook noodle, this noodle like pretty separated by itself. But sometimes when you cook noodle, you gotta stir a little bit so they not stick together. Yes. If I add this one in, will be too much. But if I don't add it, I get one little piece left over. That's okay. Put it in the fridge. Alright, let me see. Every time you add something in, the temperature go down. So this pot, you can add mussel, clam, squid, which I have. I have everything. But I don't want to cook everything all at once. Yeah, like that, okay? So we're gonna let the noodle and the soup cook. But now the temperatures drop, so we did not see the little bubble, And I'm gonna take a few minutes. We're gonna try out the noodle, make sure they cook through still authentic, okay? While I'm waiting for the soup bring up to a boil, actually the noodle already cooked. It's been like 3-4 minutes now. So I can tell the noodles start getting tender. Usually noodle don't cook that long, especially fresh. One piece, huh? Probably another minute, that's it. I don't want to cook too long, so I'm gonna add the vegetable in. Cilantro in. Okay. I'm gonna turn off off. And then sesame oil. Half teaspoon is good enough. Sesame oil, very expensive. Look at this one too. Expensive stuff we use less. Okay, now. It smells so good. Ooh. Ooh, the noodle got some sort of flavor too, you know. Noodles made from flour, right? There's different kind of flour. The sesame oil gives them a really nice flavor. And the soup become a little bit texture, a little thicker. It's from the noodle. All right, that's good. And we gotta eat this quick. Otherwise, the noodle soak into hot water will become too overcooked. It's not good. Okay, let me try it the last time. So this part of the noodle soup, you can add monito, right? Like fish flake or a little anchovy that give you more flavor. But I mean, you cannot make everything, put everything in. That's too much, too complicated. All right, see the noodle right here. So good, 100%, 100%. This mushroom, huh? The soup, you see is more texture now, right here. Wow, I'm jump up and down. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.